What up, this is Rob the Straw Hat Ronin. We are back with some more Chainsaw Man. This show has been nothing but straight gas. They've been adapting everything pretty well. I've been hearing a couple of complaints within the Chainsaw Man community. Manga readers, being manga readers as usual, saying the animation is not up to par with the manga panels. Like, bro, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? This shit is animated beautifully. Not only is it animated beautifully, I think it captures the emotions, the expressiveness of the characters very well, might I add. I don't think anything is lost in translation, so I don't get what some people's issues are. You're not gonna have a cartoon animation as detailed as manga panels. That's just not gonna happen. Anyway, I don't want to harp too much on negative stuff. I'm enjoying this anime. Last episode, my boy Denji, he done killed the Bat Devil. So now let's see what happens after that. I don't think it's too much spoilers to say that Power is still alive. Is the cat still alive? That I don't remember. So hopefully we'll find out this episode. We should find out this episode. Let's see if Power is gonna reward my boy with some titties. Boobies. Boobs. Let's see if he gets the Copperfield today. Oh shit, Power. You drinking that shit like a Snapple. She out here killing bears and shit. And she just cuts the heads off and drinks the blood. And she's just walking with the head. Bro, why it look like she don't got no breasts? She wearing a push-up bra or something? Did she get some work done? So she was just running down the street naked as shit. That's your friend. That's your... Oh. That looked like it hurt. What's that, Power? Y'all just chilling within the Bat Devil? Meow, he's alive! Yay! Damn, my dude Denji looking jacked. I don't think he was this jacked in the manga. Look at them traps. Because he wants a breast in his hand. You promised him something. Say it. Here it comes. Not for a man who ain't never got none. They'll do whatever. You may fondle my chest. You gonna do it right here and there? Whoa! Whoa! What the hell is this? Another one, bruh? What is this, a worm devil? Bro, we just had a fight, son! I think I know what's about to happen, about what's about to come up, but I don't want to say just in case it's spoilers. If anybody's watching this for the first time with me, I doubt that, but I think I know what's gonna happen. Look at the nipples. Get this shit out of here, bruh. This shit looks disgusting. He ain't got enough blood. After I finally found him. Oh, you fuck with her man? You fuck with her man? Ew, I know her breath stinks. You gonna fight like this? Oh, let's go, Denji. My man fast without the powers. Damn. Oh my god, this show is so fucking sick! God damn. Power, get your ass up, man. You ain't been fighting. Mmm. Woo. Surprised he's not slipping all on them guts and stuff. He's not at full power, babe. He already done busted his nut. Everybody refers to him as a dog. Right. Copperfield on her. She got enough nipples. Damn. Got a throat. Bro, oh my god. Those frames. Titties all jiggling. Yep, there goes the slippery. Slip and slide. But he's doing it. Oh, okay. I see what he's doing. Trip her up with the guts. Oh! Oh my god. Gave him a 5-piece. Was it a 5-piece? Demoniacal. Is that even a word? Oh, my man going crazy. Bro, I'm cheesing from ear to ear. Damn. Power, get your ass up. There it goes. This is what I was waiting for. Aki to the rescue. Cone! Woo! The leech devil. Do it. Do it. Damn. Oh shit. With Kobeni? I forget the other guy's names. Himeno! Himeno. Aki's so sweet. And to make sure that the cat's alright. So they reattached it. He couldn't just grow a new one? You saw that shit. We saw it, Aki. That sounds hypocritical, don't it? The Fox Devil. Yeah, what happened? He's not gonna sell her out. He need to cop that fill. Yeah, I took a bump on the head. I don't remember everything clearly. What's that? Relax, dude. You're too uptight. You can count on me. You got a friend in me. He said, I'll think about it. Meaning, nah, I'm good. Anytime somebody says, I'll think about it, it's a no. You definitely got to let him cop a fill now. He saved your life 3 times. That building looks familiar. I know this is in Japan, but it looks like a building in the States. Or maybe that's just my mind playing tricks on me. I'm sure there's buildings that look like that, like streets that look like that, but I don't know. The hell was that? Making himself look right for Makima. Look at that sly grin she's giving him. Gun flesh. He looking for something. Gun flesh. They did. That's under your jurisdiction.
結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから不問にしてよろしいかと。
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった。デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
You think so? I don't think they've been around each other that long.
何も変わってないですよ俺は。
Yo, Makima look crazy right there. She look creepy as hell. I wonder why toothpaste be having multiple colors like that. I never looked into it. All my toothpaste just be white or black. I get the black kind. A day in the life of Aki. Got his newspaper. About to play some crossword puzzles. Look at the funnies. Sipping some coffee. My man like an old man. You think he was a dad. You can tell he's very organized and meticulous. Got it. Got a visitor. Oh shit. Sorry, I just got PTSD. Look who it is! Another roommate. You couldn't gave them the heads up. He got to walk two dogs. Excuse me, a dog and a cat. It's his mind now. I like the way Power speaks. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. Right. What? How delicate these humans be. Is he plunging or is he cleaning? Oh, it's time. It's time, baby. I don't know if I want to grab, like, after cleaning her turds, I don't know if I want to grab that. I'd be so turned off. Oh shit, she can close the door and everything. Need a little bit of privacy, huh? Wow. See how big they are? Like, did she get some work done or something? Stipulations, okay. 3 squeezes. 3 of them. You saved it 3 times. Okay, you rescued Maui. Slaying the bad devil. Okay. That's not the 3 times I was thinking, but sure. You've earned this, baby. I don't know, Power looking kind of hot right there. But she nasty, though. Yo! No! We got a new outro song. Damn, Power looking good right there. She nasty, though. I wonder why they decided to go with so many outro songs. Like, it's just kind of like they couldn't settle on one good one. But they had to have this in mind. Like, we're going to do like a bunch of outro songs. I'm just trying to figure out what the purpose was. This one's alright, but the one before this one was really dope. This one's actually, I like this part of the song. Power's little outro. So they really teased us with the titty grab. It is what it is. Next episode, we're gonna get that titty grab. Let's see if it's everything that Denji hoped for. So my man Aki to the rescue. Now they kind of got off on the wrong foot, but they're starting to see eye to eye, so to speak, which is cool. So we got the trio, the Trinity, the Holy Trinity, right? You have in most shonens, you got the warm-blooded protagonist, the calm, cool, collected, quiet guy, and then the girl, and she can be whatever. This dynamic is really fun, and this is probably one of my favorite groupings in anime. These 3. And the way that they play off each other. It's really fun. And it's only going to get wilder from here, baby. So if you like this reaction, hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe button down below. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Till next time, Ronin signing out. Peace.